Hi, I'm Tom Seagraves with Sawblade.com, and thank you for tuning in to another product overview. In this video, we will be taking a look at the features of our 14-inch stainless steel Qsaw blade and go over why it's the solution for you. The stainless steel blade is designed for 1/16 to 1/4 inch wall material and is a perfect choice for users cutting a variety of stainless steel applications. Our 14-inch Qsaw blades fits most major carbide tip chop saws on the market that run within the designated 1300 to 1800 RPM range. The stainless steel blade features a premium triple chip grind carbide, giving you a clean and cool finish even in stainless applications. It also features a thick laser cut body rather than stamped. This process produces a precision blade with little to no deflection or blade walk. Our Qsaw blades are a necessity for any users demanding precise cutting capabilities at a fraction of the price. Here at Sawblade.com, we make it simple to access all your sawing needs at a factory direct price, so log on and revolutionize your sawing experience. And don't forget to check out our Sawblade.tv to access our variety of tech tips, sawing solutions, and much more. Sawblade.com, no middlemen, no markup, no problem, go direct.